equipped with 3 pillars type tensioners means the tension on the yarns can be adjusted very minutely from any one pillar or all the 3 pillars of the tensioners by shifting vertically apart for a minute change. Also, the creel is equipped with revolving section of cones. Tensioner's mounting frame can be adjusted for required distance between the cones and the tensioning frame by turning the hand wheel manually provided at the back end of the machine. Revolving cone segment of the creel can be turned 180-degree manually and formally locked at the bottom by pressing the locking lever by foot. The operator takes the yarn from the cone and tension disc, passes through Electromech's guide, through the stop motion eyelet. Further, yarn is taken through lacing rods and mainly lacing reed through the dent. V-reed and at last over the drum. Immediately, the required section width is measured precisely by the scale and required changes are done by adjusting V-reed angle. Now, this is the completion of the first section, and second section would be started by the operator by lacing the section ends properly so that the lace cords can be inserted on the drum. You would see the action of the lacing reed on front side and the back side, how the lowering and raising takes place. After starting warping operation and at the time of thread break, it is indicated on indicator lamp so as to identify the broken thread and join it through ceramic guides lace rods. Read and over the drum and restart the machine. This is the warping beam preparation of a polyester filament yarn for production of suiting. This is counter meter, which indicates the length of each section wound on drum and stop the machine at the end of the set length. This is the beaming section of Electromech 100 model. To lifting forks are raised up and down. For loading and unloading the beam by hydraulic mechanism. Once the empty beam is loaded on forks and raised to a required level in front of the squared stud portion, the beam carriage assembly is shifted manually by turning wheel provided at the bottom. The stud portion is inserted in the square hole of beam barrel and it firmly locked till the beaming operation are finished. Later on, the operator set the panel for the speed and tension on warp sheet. The yellow color rod which you see in the picture is actually safety bar. Once it is in lower position, then only the machine can be started. Now you see the complete beaming process. This is the end of the beaming operation when the complete warp length is delivered on the weaver's beam. The operator cautiously removes the lease cords from the warping drum and transfers it to the beam. Later on, hydraulic beam loading and unloading mechanism is activated so that the lifting forks can be brought under the beam barrel. And once it is resting properly, the beam carriage is shifted out so that the beam can be freed from the holding studs. Later on, the beam is unloaded on the floor.